Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from September the 2nd through the 8th, and we're going back to our movie plot reviews and what we're going to do this week is The Postman Always Rings Twice. It is such a good movie, and I made my own stickers with my Cricut. And then I picked this paper out because it's set in a diner, so that reminded me of the diner. And then this kind of reminded me the way it might be decorated. And I just picked up this washi that I'd had for quite a while. I got it at Michael's in a tube, and this paper came out of a paper pack, and I'm not sure where I got it because I've had it so long. It might be Joann's. And then I'm just going to use this Bic marker in lime sorbet. Okay, so let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I love that picture in my planner. I'm glad everyone enjoyed this spread. It was so fun doing that. That I want this paper to be the dominant paper of the spread. So I'm just going to cut it first. I'm so glad that we're finished with our fireplace. Now I'm going to decorate it for fall, but I was holding off because I knew we were planning on doing it, and I didn't want to have to take it all back off. This definitely reminds me of a diner that you would have gone in way back when. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. I really think this is going to give us a good feel for the movie. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. My eyes are better, but they still bother me if I look at the computer screen a lot. I noticed that when I was making my stickers. Haven't worn makeup yet, and my glasses came in. One pair. I actually ordered 2 pair. I think I need a new blade for my paper cutter. But I got it at Hobby Lobby, and I'm pretty sure I went in there not long ago to find one, and I couldn't find that particular brand anymore, so I'm going to have to see. I really like it. I think that's really cute. so glad that that hurricane is staying off the coast, and I'm glad that it didn't come in the Gulf. Such a blessing. God is so good. Oh, I love how that turned out. Okay, let's go ahead and put our washi down. I really like this washi tape. It's so pretty. But this movie is about this young girl, Cora, and she's played by Lana Turner, and she's married to a much older husband, and his name is Nick, and they run this gas station diner, and she really doesn't love her husband, and this drifter comes, and his name is... can't remember his name. Well, anyway, the drifter comes and they fall in love with each other, and they start scheming ways to get rid of the husband, because the husband, she wants to fix up the gas station diner, and her husband really doesn't want to do anything. Okay, now I'm going to come down through here, but it's a really good thriller. Just add that right here because it looks kind of funny there. That really gives it a good look, I think. All right, let's go ahead and put our stickers down, but I really do like that. Okay, this first one is how my DVD looks, just like that. And I'm going to put it right here like I typically always do. And then this is the first time that Cora meets this drifter. And this is in their diner. Well, actually, right here's the first time. I'm gonna put this over here. This isn't. It's the same. It is a little later that she meets him here. This is actually the first time she meets him. And then this is like a couple days later. And he tries to kiss her because he thinks she's really pretty, and he can't understand why she's doing with that older man. And then here she is with her older husband, and she wants him to dance with her. But he comes up with the idea to let the drifter dance with her, which was not a good idea at all. Okay? So then they proceed to get involved romantically, and here is Cora the drifter and her husband in the car, and he's getting ready to hit her husband over the top of the head, and he has him drunk, and they're going to try to kill him, and they've already tried to kill him once, but it didn't work. And then here they're successful at killing the husband, and they were injured, and they're at the police station being questioned. I'm not going to tell you how it ends, just in case you want to watch it. I don't want to ruin it, but here they're in a car together, Cora and the drifter, and they're feeling pretty good about life. And then this is towards the end of the movie, and this is the drifter, and he's in prison. Like I said, I'm not going to tell you anything else. I don't want to ruin it for you. So let me write a few things down that I need to do. Okay, let's put our pages back inside of my planner, and we'll take a look at this, but I think it is really cute, and it is definitely a good movie to see. But I think it gives a good feel for the movie because she's wanting to make the diner and gas station so much better than what it is. And her husband really doesn't. But I love this washi. It's beautiful, and I think it works nicely with this paper. And I love my stickers. I just think it turned out so nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.